In this video, we will talk about ArrayLists. The ArrayList class can be thought of as a resizable array. We can find the ArrayList in java.util package, so we can import java.util.arraylist to be able to use ArrayList. Now, the difference between ArrayLists and arrays is the possibility of changing the size of the ArrayList while when you declare an array, it's of a fixed size. So let's see an example and you will see how the array list can have some more advantages over the regular array, although it's a little bit slower in accessing. So I will come here and create a new class. I want to call this array list demo, array list demo, and I will need a main method in here. So in my class, what I'll go ahead and do is I'll create an array list of friends. So array list, and this is of type string. So you will specify the type after the word array list, and then you will call your name for the array list. So I'm going to call this friends is equal to new array list containing strings, and then parentheses and close this. I need to import it, so import java.util.arraylist. Now I can do all sort of stuff with my array list. I can add items, I can access items, I can do whatever I want. So let's first add some items. So I will start with friends dot add, and then I will add a friend here. So I'll say John, and I will go ahead and friends dot add, and another name in here, Lori, friends dot add. Let me add Bob, for example, and I need an S right here. Okay, so this is how you add elements to your array list, and let's see how can I access them. So how will I access them is I'll say friends dot get, and then I'll give it the index. So get 0 should give me John, get 1 should give me Laurie, get 2 should give me Bob, and so on. Now this is how you can access it. Now if I want to change John, for example, to any name, what I will do is right here I will come and say friends dot set, I might have misspelled it, yeah, friends dot set, and then I'll provide the index and then provide the element. So I'll set the index at 0 to Nathan instead of John right now. And now if I print this out, I got Nathan at the first name. You can remove items, so let me do something like friends dot remove 0, and then save this and run it. Now numbers, the first one is Laurie because I removed Nathan from the first element and everything got shifted by one item. Okay. Other thing we can do is clear. So friends dot clear is going to clear out everything of my array list, and I'll get an exception because I don't have anything in my array list right now because I just cleared it out. And one thing that's useful is this. So let me take those out. So friends dot size. This is going to tell you how big is your array list. Remember, we use dot length for arrays. For array lists, it's dot size. So the last thing I want to cover here is how to loop over. You can use a regular for loop between I equal to 0 and I is less than the array list dot size, or what I prefer to do is an advanced for loop, which some people might call it for each, and then I will do system.out.print and print every string in that array list. And this is how I can do it. A useful thing that we can do with ArrayLists is utilizing the collections class that is also in the ArrayList. I mean, in the Java.util package, and it can work on ArrayLists. So the advantage of this is the following. See, right now it is not ordered, but I can sort it very easily by calling collections.sort. So collections.sort, and then I will provide friends here. Okay, and I will need to import collections from java.util. And now if I save this and run it back, it's already sorted in alphabetical order. So this is going to work with strings and going to work with numbers. And this is as much as I wanted to cover about array lists, how to create them, how to add elements, how to change the element to something else, how to delete an element, how to clear the array list, how to get the size of the array list, and finally how to iterate and sort your array list.